I'm about to show you some of the coolest gardens in a college campus you're gonna see. I'm at Ohio State University this weekend. Got my travel companion with me, my daughter over there, eating chips. Let's go take a look. So we're right in between all the horticulture buildings, and we're gonna get started over on this side by this gazebo. They've got their perennial gardens over here. We'll go to some trial gardens over that way where those dark clouds are. Start off with some beautiful stone crop over here. It's about to be in full bloom. It's got some awesome pollinator gardens all through here. And even though it just rained, there are some butterflies fluttering about. Everyone has been stopping and looking at this plant. This is Bear's Breeches, acanthus, full bloom right now. So gorgeous. Do you like that one? You like chips, is what you like. Some giant milkweed over here. These are like 7 feet tall. Starting to make their cool seed pods now. They must have just got done blooming. Whoa. Is this a Eryngium? Look how blue it is. It looks like they spray painted it. Those are daylilies. Really pretty daylilies. This is a cool area. Got a giant agave in a pot over there. These here? Well, these are echinacea or coneflower because the blooms make a cone shape. You see that? Those are really nice. Got a really dark leaf sedum here. It's really nice. And some hardy hibiscus there. They also bring out tropicals that are normally in a greenhouse and set them out during the summer. Elephant's ear kalanchoe. This thing looks old. It's really big. Got a big stand of Shasta daisies over there. Some Russian sage and some type of really upright grass. Not sure what grass that is. These astilbes are really nice. Really pretty. We don't get these in Texas. I guess this is it. Lamium. I don't know. Those are huge leaves. Okay, now we're gonna go from the perennial gardens over here to way over there are the trial gardens where we get to see new varieties of plant. One of the cool things here though are the trees. Look at these Japanese maples just tucked in under here. Look at that. I want to see the trunk and the branches. It's a big oak leaf hydrangea. It's about 7 feet tall and 15 feet wide. Jasmine's admiring this big tree. I don't even know what kind of tree it is. Let's go to wide angle. Oh, this is a cool tree. On the way to the flower gardens, they have some veggies and herbs over here in raised beds. Unsure if we're about to get dumped on with rain though. It is looking menacing and it's starting to sprinkle. We'll see. Yes, my daughter's saying we should have brought umbrellas. All right, so at the trials, they put, it's been raining earlier today too. Look at all that water. They put, look at all that water. Different types of plants together. You can see them growing side by side and evaluate them and see if there's anything you want to add into your production next year. So we could look at these begonias and say, oh wow, that one Surefire Rose is really nice. Let's grow that next year. Look how much taller it is than the Surefire Cascade Red, which would be a more weeping variety. This is kind of nice. They tell you which student takes care of each bed. The horticulture students. Look at these lantana. That one's Royale Red Zone. That's actually a really nice, big blooming lantana. This is a really nice color from Pan American on this Vinca Halo, red halo. All right, so we got some zinnias. They look okay, but watch when we move down this way. That's pretty nice, but those are huge blooms. Here's one of the best new plants on the market from Ballflora. Monarch Magic Ageratum. I actually got these in a trial pack this year and they are doing great, but the monarchs go crazy for these. I really like these Heliotrope. Aromagica purple, very fragrant. And up here they can actually take the sun. They need to be more of a morning sun or shade plant down in Texas. Now these trials are quite a lot smaller than some of the other trials we go to, but it's good to come out here and see and support the horticulture department at Ohio State. It's a really nice Gaillardia. That's a Texas plant right there. Guapa red, really good looking.